Hello adventurous people, my name is Luca and I hope you have a great day. I'm not really going to talk much, it's just going to be a nice POV, and here we go. Woo! Bunny hop this. Yeah, let's just go straight down this way, Preston. Go. Left. Preston's gonna do a jump. See that little hill right there? Nice one. We're just gonna be dirt scootering around this little trail. And then I'm not really gonna talk much, it's just gonna be a nice POV. And here we go. Alright, I'm going to end this video here. Hopefully you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you did, and I'll see you next time. Fun fact, scooters were released in 1974. And question of the day, do you like when I post 2 times a week? Leave it in the comments below.